I have a Luxpro psp511lc which, as usual, is flashing off when I turn the cooling system on. Is there some trick to making that work?
How old is your Luxpro unit?
2011 install.
How long has this been going on with your Luxpro unit? What have you tried so far?
It happens every year in May and November, when it is time to change it from cooling to heat or the other way around. I usually try changing batteries, pressing the reset on the thermostat, turning the furnace or air off/on at the breaker, pressing buttons at random every 30 minutes for a couple of days, and then something works and I have no idea what or why. I have done all those things for the past 3 hours.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, that covers it, except I am at my wit's end.
Please read carefully and reply. My name is I am the category moderator. I apologize for the wait. I wanted to reach out to see if you still need assistance with your question. Please use the reply box below to let me know if you'd like to continue or cancel. If you were attempting to reach a different company, please let me know that as well. Thank you. Natalia, moderator.
Hello, my name is Welcome to the JustAnswer site. I have been asked to help if you are still in need. Please let me know.
The thermostat decided to work about 15 hours after I posted. I am still concerned about how consistently it malfunctions when I change from cooling to heating, heating to cooling, or if I turn it off for whatever reason. It consistently refuses to turn on, sometimes for a few hours, more than once for several days. You can imagine the frustration of paying a technician $200 to change batteries I just changed the day before and it works for him, batteries from the same package, for crying out loud. Is there some sort of short in the system or something?
I downloaded and reviewed the installation and owner's manual for your thermostat. I did not find any trick to stopping the delayed reaction you are experiencing with the thermostat. However, there is one setting that might not be functioning properly. That is what is called the swing setting in the manual. I've copied and pasted the text below about what it does and how to set it. Swing setting a thermostat works by turning your heating or cooling system on and off whenever the room temperature varies from the set point temperature. The amount of this variation is called the swing. Your system should cycle on about 3 to 6 times per hour. A smaller swing number increases the number of cycles per hour, so the room temperature is more precise and constant. A larger swing number decreases the number of cycles per hour, but saves energy in most cases. To change the swing setting, turn the dial to run mode. Hold down the next button and push the hold button once, then let go of both. The words swing and set will appear on the screen with a number. Use the up/down buttons to change the number value between 1 and 9. Number 1 is the default setting. Press the next button to accept the setting and return to normal run mode. It is quite possible that your thermostat is set for the larger swing, thereby causing the delay in function. If you follow the steps above, you can at least determine where it is currently set and even change it to see if it makes a difference. Another possibility is a problem with the feature called minimum runtime delay. I've copied and pasted the text below about what it does, however it cannot be set. Minimum runtime delay. This is determined by the thermostat, and controls the minimum length of time that the thermostat must remain with heat or cool either on or off, before it will automatically switch to the alternate on or off state. This feature prevents rapid or short cycling, and provides compressor protection for cooling equipment. The time amount for this delay is fixed at 5 minutes between on or off load changes. It is quite conceivable that this feature is not functioning properly, and as mentioned, it cannot be changed. So I suggest trying to change the swing setting number, and if that does nothing, it is my opinion that you have a defective thermostat and it should be replaced. Please know that you can follow up for next 10 days at no additional charge. Thank you for the opportunity to help you. I can see that you've read my answer. Was it of any help?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.